Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is yet another slow fashion video where the focus is on sustainable fashion and using and reusing your existing wardrobe pieces. We all know that sari is an indispensable item in every woman's closet. Though currently there is a big roar amongst the traditional saris, be it brocade, Banarsi or Kanjivaram, the other saris making equal noise are the printed ones. There are a wide variety of printed saris, from geometrical, polkas to abstract. And how can we forget floral? Versatility aside, the advantage of a printed sari is its effortlessness and affordability. They can be reworn on numerous occasions and can be accessorized to dress up or dress down depending upon the occasion. So what are you waiting for? Go grab a calming sari and add a stylish edge to your wardrobe. As you can see that I'm still not ready, and today I've taken a daunting task of making a full video on styling a printed sari. So while I go and get ready, you go and grab a cup of coffee.
For the first look, I have tucked the sari in the usual way, but to make it stand out, I've combined it with a leather belt. Now, leather belt is an important accessory in every woman's wardrobe. When paired with a sari, it looks extremely chic and edgy. It not only keeps the traditional aspect intact, but also adds an oomph factor to the look. You can try different types of belt like a corset metallic depending upon the occasion. Here there is clash of metals like oxidized jewelry paired with a belt with golden buckle. Combining all these together with a puffy blouse will create a perfect 10 on 10 festive look. In all my looks, at least one is always inspired by Sabyasachi. I am so enthralled that he can make even a simple sari look so fresh and elegant. As perfect as a picture, wear a sleeveless blouse with any printed sari. Taking cue from yesteryear's actresses like Tanuja, wear earrings with no neck piece. Add a bindi and flowers to your hair to complete the look. If you're heading for any event during the day, then wear your favorite sunglasses to showcase your ethnic style in a revamped version. To avoid the overdose of oxidized jewelry, try wearing a trendy one like these long pearl drops in black. This looks so much inspired by the modern Bengali women. If having a gypsy look is on your mind, then wear a statement headgear. Here I have converted my neck piece as a tika. To make it the highlight of my look, avoid any other accessory like the earrings or necklace. For minimalistic approach, either pleat the pallu or keep it flowing. Wearing waistcoats to the office is not the only way to wear them. Expand their use by combining it with a sari. Make thin pleats and tuck on the shoulder to show off the waistcoat. For that boss lady look, add a choker sans earrings. This fusion pair is apt for formal gatherings or for office parties. Now you know exactly what to do when you want to wear your mother's gorgeous sari. You can look really hot because of the way you drape a sari. Here I have set the pallu not exactly on the shoulders but a little below it on both sides, giving it an off-shoulder look. And to keep the palla intact, put a belt across your waist. For the first look, I have kept the hair open, and for accessories, wearing oxidized earrings and bangles. The striking border with a sequin blouse is perfect for cocktail parties. Oops, sorry, I have completely forgotten to wear black sandals, so pardon me for that. I have secured the pallu with pins on both the sides, that is on the front and back. For change of looks, tie your hair in a sleek bun, add a heavy choker in black metal and a black bindi. Such looks are perfect in today's time when the marriages have become a low-key affair. Continuing with the same sequin blouse, is it always necessary to drape the pallu over the shoulders? Well, I don't really think so. If you have a beautiful blouse designed to show off, then get playful and let the pallu flow freely over your arms. This look is a perfect blend of retro and modern. While the side-parted hair with the red roses lending the retro vibe, the statement jewelry with this fun drip is giving it a modern touch. Complete this look with a metallic clutch and black sandals. Simply rock this look to your friend's theme wedding or reception. There are innumerable ways to add zing to your sari, and draping it in a different way is one of them. A little tweak to the normal shoulder drape, that is making a flower out of the pallu. Let's see how to do it. Take a longer pallu and then take a section at the shoulder level and tie it with an elastic band. Adjust the excess fabric to make into a flower and finally tuck onto your shoulder. To complement this look, I am going heavy on jewelry with neck piece, ring and bangles. Since this look will make an impact in itself, there is no need of earrings or other hair accessories. Stylish, modern and minimalist are the best words to describe this look. If you want to add some modern vibe to your sari, then pair it with the statement belt. Create a monotone look and let the buckle do the talking. Let the pallu fall to create a chic look, which will also make your waist look tinier. With messy hair and minimum jewelry, bring out your inner diva to rock any social event or function. In today's times, marriages and functions have become low-key. There are smaller gatherings and also it's summer time. For such functions, wearing a printed sari will be a great choice. To make it suitable for such occasions, wear it with a long sleeve blouse, preferably in a sheer fabric. Since I don't own one in sheer, creating the look with this blouse. Adorn your attire with traditional jewelry. Here both oxidized or gold will work. Finish off your look with a gajra and a bindi. Still, if you feel you can go a little further, then add a heavily embellished dupatta with the sari. Choose a color that will complement the sari. You can either go for monochrome or contrast. I have thoroughly enjoyed styling this printed sari. I hope you have enjoyed the video as much as I have. If you found this video interesting, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every Sunday. Until then, bye-bye, take care, stay safe and yes, keep slaying in style.